Hello friends, today we will cover one of the wonderful interview questions. If you are a fresher or you are having a 1 to 3 year of the experience, definitely you will get this interview question. What is the super keyword in the Java? Okay, let's understand about the super keyword and what type of the interview questions can be asked by the interviewer regarding the super keyword. Uh, Super keyword in Java. The super keyword in the Java is a reference variable that is used to refer immediate parent class object. Okay, this is the first important point which you keep on your mind. The super keyword in the Java is reference variable that is used to refer immediate parent class object. Okay, and second one is whenever you create the instance of subclass, an instance of parent class is created implicitly. This is also a very interesting thing you should understand about this. Okay, so it will create implicitly if you are creating a default constructor. So definitely it will call its parent class. So I will cover in detail. You can get the better idea what is that. Okay. Now the uses of the Java super keyword. Super is used to refer immediate parent class instance variable, which already I discussed. Second point, super is used to invoke immediate parent class constructor. Okay, if you have a two class A and class B extend a class A, and if you want to call to super constructor means class A constructor you want to call, so in that case super keyword is useful. Okay, super is used to invoke a immediate parent class method. If you want to access the method, then you can also invoke the super class using super dot method name. Now first point which it says super is used to refer an immediate parent class instance variable. Let's see what will be the problem if we are not using the super class. I have a one class is a vehicle where I'm set a value of speed. Okay, so I'm declaring a speed as a 50. I have created a one class which extend a vehicle. In the same class you can see that in the subclass also I have a speed variable same as a super class. Okay, now I have a method as a display in my bike3 class, and I'm printing the speed. In that case what will be the happen when I'm calling it from the our main method? Okay, so what I did that bike3 be equal to new creating the instance of bike3 and calling the display method. Okay, so in that case what would be the output? Correct, it will give 100. But if I want to call the super class vehicle speed instance variable, how can I use it? Okay, for that the solution by super keyword. So in that case you have to, when you are using that super dot speed, then it will print a 50 as output. Okay, you can see this example same here. Now the second point is super is used to invoke a parent class constructor. So you can see the example. I have a similar class vehicle constructor I have created and printing the system.out.println where I am printing that the vehicle is created. Okay, now I have a class bike5 which is extend the vehicle, and I have created the same bike5 constructor and calling the super keyword. So whenever I'm creating the object of bike5, okay, at that time we already know about that when we are creating the object it will call the its constructor, the default constructor it will be called. So this default constructor it will comes to this bike5 constructor, default constructor, and it will compiler see that there is a super keyword, keyword is used. Then what it will do, it will call the parent class constructor first and then print the bike is created which is we already wrote in the system.out.println. So you can try this example on your end as well. Okay, then so third one is a super is added in each class constructor automatically by compiler. Okay, so there is no need to add super method. Okay, so by default it will added by the compiler. So this is a very interesting questions. Okay, this is a bike. Okay, so class bike and super first statement. As we know, as we know well that default constructor is provided by the compiler automatically, but it also adds super for the first statement. If you are creating your own constructor and you do not have either this or super as a first statement, compiler will provide the super as a first statement of the constructor. Okay, so this is a very another interesting question. Okay, another example of the super keyword where super is provided by the compiler implicitly, means it will provide you it's automatically. Okay, so similar example you can see over here. Here you can you see that I have not created any default constructor over here. I am passing the speed over here, but when it will call create the object of bike 6, at that time it will see there is a no default constructor. It will call the super class constructor first and then it will set the speed. Okay, super can be used to invoke a parent class method. Okay, so I have a class person which is a void message public I have a class person where I have created a one method message which printing the message as a welcome. I have another class student 16 which extend the person, and similar I have a message method same as a parent class, and where I am printing the message as a welcome to Java. Another I have a method as a display where I am calling the message and super message. So I am creating the student 16 object and call the display method. First I am telling that invoke the student 16 message method, and after that I have used the super keyword and call to a parent method which will invoke the parent class message method. Okay, so the next is a program in case super is not required. Okay, so suppose I have a person where I am printing the message a welcome student 17 extend person, void display where I am calling the message. Now here you can see that there is a no message in the subclass. Then in that case there is a no need that. Okay, so in that case you don't need to add the super keyword. This is a completed, and hope you like this video and you are clear with your super Java keyword. Please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much.